Okay, we're going to be making a simple design on Pixel Lab. So this is our background on Pixel Lab. This background, it was actually green, but I had to import this background from my gallery. You import it, you adjust the size and every other thing for it to be like this. So we're going to start now. Let me import my shape. Sometimes when you are making a design on Pixel Lab, you really have to get a sample of what you want. So we already have a sample. I won't be showing you in this class. So we already have a sample. You just have to design it now. All right. So we're going to add our color. We'll add our color. So the color I would like to add is green. I'll get a green color. Compare. All right, this is good. This is what I want. No, this one is lighter, so I'll just add some hue to make it. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. Then the next one, I'll just get another circle. If you want to, you have to click on the place. I showed you all this in the last video where we talked about the introduction to Pixel Lab. So this is it. I'll make it to, align to be symmetrical. So this is it. So I just have to adjust it so it to be able to be good. Can reduce this is how to reduce size. You can reduce size like this. You can also reduce size. There are so many ways to reduce your size. So this is it. Let me increase the size of the green one. All right. So this is it. All right. So this is it. Then the next one, we're going to add another circle. You can copy it. You can get another shape or just copy it. Then I'm adding my color right now. I want a yellow color. So go to yellow color here and add it. Nice one. So you have to check it so that you'll be able to make sure that all the circles align. See the circle align. So this is it. The circle is not aligned, so you have to adjust it more. The white one precisely. So sometimes you might be finding it hard to, select a particular color or a particular object, probably because one is obstructing the other. Just have to simply go to this place. You use this place that looks like a stack of book. You click on it. Once you click on it, you see the list of everything you want. What you just have to do is to click on the particular one that I want. So this is the white one I want to adjust. Then if I get to adjust it, sometimes the thing might not align well. You just have to use your position and others, but let me just do it right now. Okay, so this is it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is adjust the yellow one so that everything will be concentric. You know what concentric mean? Like for everything to fall into place, like at the center. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Nice. So it's nice with. Okay, this is it. So we are good to go. So the next thing we're going to add now is a text. We're going to add a text here. And our text, when you want to add a text, you must make sure that when you click on it, if you assuming that you are here, you can't access anything because you clicked on text. But if you're in the text menu, yeah, you can edit it. So we're going to add our website www.optionedu.com. I'm trying to create a simple flyer on Pixel Lab, so you have to learn it. Then I don't want this font, I want to change it, so you have to put another font. Check for a font that is suitable for what you want to do. Sometimes you know that if you want your design, you have to one thing that captures the eyes or attracts is the font you use. You can't just use ordinary fonts, or a situation where you use font, another one, varieties of fonts. Imagine a design where they have varieties of fonts. No, it's not going to look nice. To be looking scattered. But once you use uniformly, it's not like you use only one font, but there is a way that you organize everything in your design. It will look good. So nice. So just have to decrease the size, or decrease the size, or rather increase. Okay, I'll decrease the size. Then I'll bring it down to this place. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to add is, so let's tell you how to know this thing. All right, so I would like to like join these three circles. I would like to merge the three circles together. What do? I I go over to this place that has this stack of, yeah. I'll go over to that place. Then I'll click on it. I just have to click on this side. Yeah, you click on it. So once you click on it, you just have to select the circles or the things that you want to measure. So I want to measure three circles. What do? Then I'll click on this. You can see it. This is what I want to click on. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll click on it. Sorry for the interruption. I'll click on it. So are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Okay. You can see it here. So the circles are now merged. Right. But if you notice, the circle came in front of the www.option.com. You just have to like, you see, you can slide it over each other. You can slide it over each other. Or you can just use that one that you can do to front to back. These two options. So this is how it is. So now I can align my circles. Right. I can align these circles to come here. Then I'll add my dot edge. Then the next thing we're going to write now is get another text. Okay, we increase the size, increase the size. All right, so this is it. Then I like to get, okay, I want that font. That's the font I want. Then yeah, that's the font I want. So I just have to make it to be bold. So after getting it bold, I'll get another text. No, this is a design. So get another text. New month. I just want to write happy new month. Happy new month, you all. Yeah. So, you know that when you're aligning or this thing, this type of design, you just have to vary text, but make it reasonable. Don't just, if you do this font here, you do this font here, but just make it, even if you use varieties of fonts, you have to make it to look reasonable and nice. So I'll get my font. So this is the font I want to use, bold. Then I'll increase our size. And most times, these fonts that are always like this usually come in front of the main text, something like this. Yeah, correct. Usually come in front of the main text. All right, so then I just have to change the color. Now I've placed the fonts and everything. I change the color. I want my to take this color, right? Then this one, I'll increase the size. Okay, I'll increase the size of this happy so that it will be able to be bigger than that one. You have to make this good, nice font that has this color, like legible and bolder than this new month. Nice one. You can see how the thing is aligned. You have to make sure. Then, if you want to make sure that your text or your object or anything you're placing is aligned in your design, what do you have to do? Just click on grid line this grid line over here. Yeah, you click on it. So once you click on it, you see, this is it. I just have to use it to align my text. I want I want to check if my text is aligned. Yeah, you can check it. Easy to check it. Is my text aligned? Yeah, it's aligned. Except this. Let me adjust it a bit. Okay, this is it. Then I just have to click on it again to remove it. So this is it. So the next thing we're going to be adding to our design is just little stuffs around. So click on our text. I just want to add little stuffs around it. So let's check. Okay, I just want to add clothes. Yeah, this is what I want to add now. I'll keep. I just collect one. Sorry for disturbing. I just want to align it so that it's like scatter it around. It's sort of a design or stuff like that. So instead of me to start doing this, just have to use my relative position and place it where I want it to be. Then nice. Take another one. This one is nice there. Take another one. I don't want it to be there. So I just have to take it to another place. You can increase the speed of what you are moving so that it won't waste your time. Tap into this shape. Okay, let's take this one. So this is it. Just have to take it. Alright, let me just move it to where I want it to be. I want it to be here. Alright, so this is it. So I want to change the color. You can, assuming that I wanted to like change the color of all these things, I can just start from the beginning to change the color. But let me just do it. And that's the easiest one. You change the color you want to attach to it before. So I want to change to green. I want all the colors to be green in color. So I want it to be green in color. Once you select it, change the color. The color should align. You know, some of you, once you're designing, you can be getting different colors and all these things. They're not reasonable in designs. It just make your work to look childish and it won't be looking matured. But once you get a very nice color for your design, uniform color, like rhyming color. There are some color combination which I'll be teaching which I'll be teaching in the advanced class after this free class. So this is it. Now that you've gotten your design everywhere, the next thing I'm going to do is to get for my gallery. I'll be getting a picture for my gallery. All right. Then I'll add it here. But you can notice that the girl is in front of that WW. I just have to go here, like use that my stack this and look for it and drag it up so that it will be able to be before the girl. You can see it now. So this is it. Then we have one more thing. We've not written one thing. This one was not meant to be here, so I'll just delete it. So get our text again. I'll write another thing. Let us help you achieve your dream of studying abroad. This is a design for scholarship company that I'm doing. So this is it. You can get other write-ups from other places. Then I chose a font. It's a simple design. So I chose a font. Let me choose the font. Alright, so this is no, let me just get a font where people like you're trying to pass a message to the public. Like this is what you're trying to like portray to them. I'll just use a normal font. Let me not use. Alright, so this is the font I need to use. Then I'll decrease the size so that everything will align well. No, your size and everything makes your design look good. So just have to decrease the size. Yeah, so this is it. You have it right now. Um, seems this and just adjust that design there. Just make it good and so it's not obstruct what you want to do. So this is the message you're passing and you have dropped it. Nice. You can see it. This is good. So this is our design. I just have to put another listing to show the like the logo. You know, most companies, more you must show your logo, you must show your slogan, everything. So I'll just add another text. Another text. Alright. Then I'll add my color. I need a black color, not yeah. Then I want it to be bold. I change the style. If you have gone through the video I sent for the introduction of PZ Lab, you will be familiar with all these things that I'm doing here. You know where to get them and so on and so forth. So this is it. This is option. Yeah. So this is the logo and everything that you need. Then our design is set to go. This is what we need. Just even their like they don't need their contact. This is a simple design that we just did here. Then their contact just need a simple design, and you can see that everything is in uniform. Like you don't even need other things there. But I'll just align some things. Just align some. Click on this shape to go down. You'll be asking why didn't I make the woman like this woman to be standing like floating or the whole body to be shown because you know this thing how graphic design is done you have to make it to be like the person is actually on the picture not something that I extracted from somewhere so I have to make it to go like to be down yeah this is how it should be then I'll place this one where it's meant to be too. Nice. So this is it. Then just have to bring down everything so I'll be able to see the space that I'll use to. Okay, this is it. Then I have to write some other things under. It's just this like the slogan is not yet complete, so just write another stuff there. So this is it. Then I'll change the font because it has to be something that is under. Remember, one thing with graphic design is that you have to check the font you are using. Something that is under something that is bold there, or if it's not also passing the message, just like something like slogan that someone has to like stress his eyes to see. At least use something flexible or light. So I'll be using this styled, yeah, nice, and I'll change the color. I don't want that black color. I'll change it to something light because the option is already black. That's that color combination. And I cannot just come and start using red there. If you check, by the time you use red, once red comes into this color, it looks somehow. So what do you use? I just get maybe an orange color or a yellow color. That's color combination. So you have to check the color you use for a design. So just get this yellow color. But it's too light. I have to decrease it. There is almost to orange. Yeah, this is it. Nice one. Then I'll adjust the position. I'll adjust the position to where I want it to be. And I'll decrease the size. You can also make it to be bold so that at least someone notices that something is there. Nice. Then I'll put it under. There. I still have to decrease the size so that you'll be able to sit in. Adjust it. This is everything you have to check. You don't just create one, just something that you don't even know how to create and to be scattered. You have to like align everything. Everything should be aligned, the designs, the write up, and everything. You can check, you can see that this new month didn't even fall in the middle of the happy. What you just have to do is to make it to align. You can get your grid line and check. Okay, now it's good. You can see it. So if you check out this design, you can see that it's nice and it's looking good. It's a simple design. It's not hard ones. The hard ones will be taught later. So this is a simple design that you can create with Pixel Lab. So next thing you have to do is to save your project. I'll save it as simple Pixel Lab design. Okay, wait for the ad because you're using network to watch it, so they have to wait for the ad.
Found the gold and asked her for just a shekini piece of the pie, and she killed him for it.
Okay, then I'll now save it. I would like to use Ultra. Then I'll save to my gallery. See, the image is saved already. So this is it. Your design and everything. If you check gallery, you see your design. Here it is. You can now send it to your clients or anyone that asks for the the design. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.